डिसिजन जावपाक जाय आनी आमचे रिजल्ट
protest that is happening today, right from Jantar Mantar all morning. The youth have been brutally beaten up and they had tried to stop everyone going towards the parliament. But this is what is needed all over the country and everyone doing this. Because we have asked for the resignation of the education minister because we have seen the education system is horrible. We've seen children die, we've seen parents are suffering, we've seen children are suffering. But nothing is being done about it. I'm happy that the youth today are coming out and they're voicing up. If not today, it will never happen. And I thank the CJP party for starting this revolution. I thank Sonam Wangchuk for standing for the hunger strike for 21 days. How he has been taken out was very unlawfully taken out, and this has to be stopped because everyone has a right to protest, everyone has a right to hunger strike. But they cannot take somebody without their will and keep them into a hospital where the family members cannot meet. So this is something that is needed. And I'm so proud of the youth and the people who have come out today in support of Sonam Wangchuk and the CJP party, because this is what revolution is all about in the country. And Education Minister has to resign.
Every time Prime Minister used to say that I am Pradhan Sevak, Sevak means servant. But
They're not bothered. They're not bothered. Even if you children suicide, the Union Minister of Education has to resign. And to see that he's not even being resigned, not even the Prime Minister coming forward to have a word with the protesters, this shows that they are not, they do not care about the future, the youth future. And this is why this is needed. And that's why the whole country is disrupted today. People from all over the country have come to Jantar Mantar and we can't reach there. So this is our kind of fight to have the education minister resign. The whole education system, even in Goa,
you said the youth are future, but these youth are the future of India. They are destroyed.
These are the youth that are coming out. It's high time. I think so everyone has a trigger, and this has been the trigger. And I'm so happy that it started off with small scale and it's really expanding. You can see the whole lane is filled with the youth. So proud of the youth. So proud of the youth. This is what is needed. So proud.
competitive exams, they were being provided because the exam people is the athletes. But there is an overwhelming, there is an overwhelming anger. लोक बेजारले की जॉब आणि काम ना फ्युचर दिसती पडना भुरग्यांक हे पळय आहा ते लागला आमच्या युथान आणि जालां कितें प्रोटेस्ट केलो पळय तेन्ना आमी इतलेंच मागलेलें की होकच धर्मेंद्र प्रधानान दिवचें म्हणून बरोबर आणि व्हडले लिडर्स इज अ मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सरकारान मॉरल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी when Sonam Wangchuk was picked up and taken, there was a change of the narrative. The narrative became मोदी बचाओ आणि देश बचाओ. हे narrative त्यांनी चेंज केले, लोकांनी चेंज केले. चेंज करून पॉप्युलर जनता पार्टी चेंज करून लोकांनी वो narrative चेंज केले. जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद जय. हाँ ठीक है ये लोकांनी सुद्धा पहिले की ज्या पद्धतीने सरकार हमारी चोर है गली गली में चोर है सरकार हमारी चोर है चोर है कमजोर है सरकार हमारी चोर है अरे चोर है कमजोर है सरकार हमारी चोर है गली गली में चोर है सरकार हमारी चोर है. हम लेके रहेंगे आजादी, तुम कुछ भी कर लो हुक्मरानी से. इनकलाब
जिंदाबाद
इनकलाब
जिंदाबाद
गली गली में शोर है
नहीं क्या
गली में शोर है जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद Like I love how like I want to hear her. कैसा है battle? हुआ पुलिस है? तुम्हारे साथ है।
भारत माता की
जय
माता की
जिंदाबाद 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 जिंदाबाद। हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, हम एक हैं, हम एक हैं। सरकार हमारी चोर है, सरकार हमारी चोर है, सरकार हमारी चोर है, सरकार हमारी चोर है। हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं। मातरम 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 मातरम। जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद। स्टूडेंट यूनिटी। जिंदाबाद 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 जिंदाबाद
Mataram! 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 Mataram!
We have no.
मोदी सरकार चोर है, तानाशाही नहीं करेगी, तानाशाही नहीं करेगी, जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद। मोदी सरकार चोर है, मोदी सरकार चोर है,
मोदी हटाओ,
देश बचाओ,
मोदी हटाओ,
देश बचाओ,
वंदे
मातरम,
वंदे
मातरम,
वंदे
मातरम,
इनकलाब
जिंदाबाद,
इनकलाब
जिंदाबाद,
इनकलाब
जिंदाबाद,
इनकलाब।
जिंदाबाद। इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो, मोदी सरकार चोर है, मोदी सरकार चोर है, देश बचाओ, देश बचाओ, देश बचाओ, जिंदाबाद, 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 जिंदाबाद।
peaceful way to we are fighting for a future for our generation. And we want to make sure that everyone gets their rights and everyone is fearless in this country. And for these little ones, it's not for us.
Thank you.
So where you all come from?
We are from Goa. We are Goans.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
We live here. We live in Karansalam, Talegaon.
Talegaon.
Yeah.
So why you feel of
I'm an
participate?
educator. I teach.
Okay,
I
okay.
understand how much my students toil when they sit for exams, and no one has the right to ruin their career and disrupt their dreams. So this is essential for all the students, all the young people, all the generations that will have to live in this India fearlessly and live their dreams. This is for my son who's yet to grow up in this country and believe that he can be a citizen and who can exercise his voice fearlessly.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Anything in the central government and in the state government. Also give the sense
संघर्ष करो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं। तुम संघर्ष करो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं। तुम आगे बढ़ो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं। तुम आगे बढ़ो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं। तुम आगे बढ़ो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं। जीतले रे जीतले, जीतले, अरे जीतले रे जीतले, जीतले, अरे जीतले रे जीतले। आवाज दो, आवाज दो, आवाज दो, आवाज दो। इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो,
नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो, नरेंद्र मोदी, इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो। जब गवर्नमेंट डरती है पुलिस तो आगे करती है, पुलिस तो आगे करती है, जब गवर्नमेंट डरती है पुलिस तो आगे करती है, जब गवर्नमेंट डरती है पुलिस तो आगे करती है, जब गवर्नमेंट डरती है पुलिस तो आगे करती है, जब गवर्नमेंट डरती है पुलिस तो आगे करती है, जब गवर्नमेंट डरती है पुलिस तो आगे करती है। पुलिस को एक दो, एक दो, एक दो, पुलिस को एक दो, एक दो, एक दो, पुलिस को एक दो, एक दो, एक दो, पुलिस को एक दो,
Start with the national anthem first. Let's just speak outwards. Let's just speak outwards. Start with national anthem and then we'll talk. Yes. Otherwise, how will it be? They're silent now. Okay. Barabar. Okay. So.
Okay, silence. Listen, everyone, listen. एक घोषणा दिया. एक घोषणा दिया. बोलो भारत माता की जय. बोलो भारत माता की जय. वंदे मातरम. वंदे मातरम. इंकलाब जिंदाबाद. इंकलाब जिंदाबाद. सोनम वांगचुक तुम आगे बढ़ो. हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं. सोनम वांगचुक तुम आगे बढ़ो. हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं. आगे बढ़ो. हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं.
उठले गोइंकरानो. Honestly, first of all, I would start by thanking everybody who has gathered here. When the idea came, don't this पहिली कोण तरी पोस्ट करा हांव तांकां जॉइन करतले. That was the thought, आणि थिंगासान सुरवात झाली. And then Prajal sir, ma'am, Sandra and
demand. India is asking to fix. India is asking to fix the education system.
Yes.
घराचे उपकरण केन्ना पायपीन लीक जाता तुमकां ते पयली क्लीन करपाचें आसता, ते पयली फिक्स करपाचें आसता. हांगाय लीक जाता आनी when this pipe, this system is leaking, it is bleeding blood of the innocent students. Because and when the students, you are literally killing the students by crashing their dream. You are like destroying their dreams. All the sacrifices done by the students to answer an exam. And why? Why does it matter to me? Somebody in Rajasthan, somebody in Madhya Pradesh, somebody in Delhi committed suicide. Their family should matter. Why does it matter to me? Because we are part of the system, equally as much as others are. And when we ask for accountability, we mean it. So Dharmendra Pradhan istifa do. Dharmendra Pradhan istifa do. Dharmendra Pradhan istifa do. And this is the voice of India. And this is the voice of Goa. Whatever happened in Delhi today, in the morning, the idea was, chalo सांसदाच्या वांगडा उठाय गोंयकारांनो आनी आमी तेंच्या वांगडा चलपाक जाय अशी आमची आस आशिल्ली. पूण सकाळ सांजी आमी न्यूज पळयता. अरे तुमकां तरी न्यूज पळोवपाक मेळ्ळा तरी आसतले. But since morning I have been just running around the police stations, and at this point I first would like to thank Goa police for being with us, showing solidarity.
ये अंदर की बात है, पुलिस हमारे साथ है. ये अंदर की बात है, पुलिस हमारे साथ है.
इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो,
इस्तीफा दो,
इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो,
इस्तीफा दो,
इस्तीफा दो, इस्तीफा दो,
इस्तीफा दो.
भारत माता की, भारत माता की.
इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, 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 इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, 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 इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, हिंदुस्तान
जिंदाबाद.
हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद, हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद, 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 हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद. नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी, तानाशाही नहीं चलेगी.
आमका नका, आमका नका, बीजेपी सरकार आमका नका.
अरे गोंयकारांनो आसात न्हू तुमी? And सदांच म्हणटात की एक चिंगारी पुरो, एक बारीक कीट पुरो उजो पेटोवपाक सदांच म्हणटात. आनी ही कीट जी गोंयकाराच्या आमच्या युथाच्या काळजान पेटल्या ती आयज ह्या आझाद मैदानार दिसती पडटा. सगळ्यांक आमकां दिसती पडटा. कित्याक आमची काळजां रडटा. We are crying, our hearts are bleeding. Why? Because our brothers and sisters, our youngsters, our future of Goa, future of India, he has committed suicide, given up their lives. For what? Shame. It is a shame that they have given up their lives. For what? For what? To have fair examination, so that there should not be any leak. And that is what we are all demanding. And we have all seen what is happening in Delhi and how the protest is called off and what has happened in Delhi. We are all aware of this. This war, ही जी वात आसा, हो जो उजवाड आसा, आमच्या NGOचे नाव जावन आसा उजवाड. And till today we never came out on the street. Till today we never came out on the street to have a protest like this, a peaceful protest like this. We always had street plays on environmental and other issues. Suicide prevention is a major issue. And when we heard that our youth are committing suicide because the failure of the system, we are broken. And therefore we are grateful that this huge number at Azad Maidan is a proof proof that we are not happy with what is going on. We are completely not happy, and that is the reason why we are here. And yeah, Uzwadacho आम्ही, we have to take a promise of this light. या उजवाडाचं प्रॉमिस घेऊन आम्ही प्रत्येक गोंयकार फुडें सरतले. We are going to create awareness and awareness on all the issues, especially when it comes to education, because education is the entire system on which entire world, entire country of ours is dependent on. So Sogri Goikarano and the people who are non-Goans who have come here, we are really appreciating your presence over here. Thank you so much for your presence.
ज्यांच्याकडे कॅन्डल्स ना त्यांनी आपले मोबाईल ऑन करचे, टॉर्च ऑन करचो, जेणे करून हो जो उजवाड आमचो असा तो प्रधानमंत्री पर्यंत पावली आणि ताका स्वतःची लाज दिसली. सगळ्यांक काळजातल्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. हांव चड काय उलयना, इतलेंच सांगता, आमचो देश वाट पळयतालो केन्ना झेनजी भायर सरतले काय म्हणून, आणि जो पर्यंत झेनजी भायर सरना तो मेरेन बीजेपी सरकार आमचेर अत्याचार करीत आशिल्ली. आज दिल्लीन सगळे झेनजी भायर सरले सांगपाक बीजेपी सरकार तुझ्या प्रधानान काढून उडय, नातर प्रधानमंत्री मोदी तू रिझाईन जा आणि खुर्ची सोड. आज आम्ही गोंयांतल्यान प्रमोद सावंत सरकाराक सांगपाक सोदता, जो आमचो वांचूक सर आमच्या देशा खातीर तो उपोषणान बसला, ताका मेसेज धाड, गोंयकार उठला. आणि जेन्ना गोंयकार उठता तेन्ना फुडल्याची कशी ही आम्ही दाखयतले. कारण आता ओगी रावपाचो टायम ना, आता भिवपाची गरज आमकां न्ही, भिवपाची गरज प्रधानाचो जर राजीनामो दिना याच्या परस व्हडा संख्येन फक्त यूथ देतले आणि मोदीक सांगतले, मोदी सरकार तुझे घडे भरले, आता घरा न्ही दोन. भारत माता की वंदे मातरम.
नहीं चलेगी.
In one voice, Goa demands the resignation of Dharmendra Pradhan. We are expressing our solidarity with Sonam Wangchuk. Because he is fighting against a system that is corrupt. And it is the youth power that is shown. I am proud of this girl, Amreen. I am proud of this NGO led by my sister Sandra Pereira Uzwad. Able to bring everybody together. in one voice, Goa is with Sonam Wangchuk. What Wangchuk is demanding, it is not an anti-national demand. He is demanding that Ladakh should get some rights. The tribals of Ladakh should get some rights. We were also demanding special status for Goa. It was not anti-national. Within our India, we want that Goa should be protected. 39A should be scrapped. That our trees, our hills should be saved. That is all our just demands of Goa. We want our mother river to be saved. And we are expressing our solidarity with our nation. We are proud that we are Indians. We want corrupt education ministers such as Pradhan to resign, and we are with Sonam Wangchuk. Dev Barekul.
आमकां जाय आमचे गोय आमकां जाय गोय आमकां जाय आमचे गोय आमकां जाय इस्तीफा दो आमकां नाका बीजेपी सरकार आमकां नाका बीजेपी सरकार आमकां नाका
So guys, this protest, first of all, let's give a big round of applause to Amreen and Uswad and these wonderful girls at Uswad who have brought this protest to happen today. So big round of applause for them. Uswad, what happened in Delhi yesterday in the morning with Sonam Wangchuk sir was completely unacceptable. It reminded me of what this Goa government did to our very own Viresh Morkar in the TCB department. This proves that this BJP government in the state and in the center has become arrogant and needs to go. Dharmendra Pradhan needs to go. We will not stop till Dharmendra Pradhan resigns. The main reason why Sonam Wangchuk went on that 20-day strike was to ensure that the BJP government is held accountable and Dharmendra Pradhan should resign. So, in one voice, istifa do, istifa do. Istifa do, istifa do. Istifa do, istifa do. Istifa do, istifa do. Sonam Wangchuk तुम आगे बढ़ो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं. Sonam Wangchuk तुम आगे बढ़ो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं. Sonam Wangchuk तुम आगे बढ़ो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं.
are here today, but this is the first time you're here today, and we must ask ourselves why. Will we only realize when the injustice lands up on our door feet? Stand up for each and every issue that comes your way. And while Sonam Wangchuk brought attention to this issue, the students have also been fasting next to him, to Neha Bora, to Manish Kumar. We stand with them. Remember, across the world, the most important protests have been led by students, have been by students, and have been for students, and this is the Hello. A big request to all of you, we are going to do a deep reflection, not that we need it, but we need to reach out to all the corrupt politicians, okay, in the country. I request all of you to close your eyes at this moment, okay, and reflect deeply. And let our voices reach to each and every politician and leader who refuses to be a part of this movement. And what is the reflection? We all have families, we all have children in our families, there are youth in our families. We do everything right from teaching values to our children about right, wrong and goodness. Aren't we answerable to our children, the custodians of the future of what is right? So isn't it our bounden duty, as the Constitution says, to protect the interests of everybody, especially children and youth? Yes. To do what is right. And if youth are dying, isn't a conscience alive to feel? हमका वाइट डिस्पैच जाएनी?
Yes.
हमको दुख लगना चाहिए.
Yes.
So we need to ask our politicians, what are you going to tell your children? How are you facing your children? There is so much corruption in the country, and it is amazing that the youth have risen up, and this will continue. Till this wave reaches and cleans the country of all corruption. Jai Hind.
Jai Goa. जीतले रे जीतले अरे जीतले रे जीतले अरे जीतले रे जीतले अरे जीतले रे जीतले आमका जाय आमका जाय आमका जाय आमका जाय आमका जाय सोनम वांगचुक आमका जाय. Alright, first to start off, it's amazing to see a lot of youngsters over here. Did you all enjoy this? Yes! So come for the next protest as well. Yes! We'll be putting out more. So listen to it. We've got another Uttaire Goenkarano over here, if you guys know. Woo! We've got some boys going around passing postcards over here, alright? Yes. And we're going to be sending those postcards to whom? Yeah, he can't hear our voice, but at least maybe he knows how to read. I doubt he knows. But I'm sure his assistant will read the postcards to him. Yeah, Dharmendra Pradhan, we know you can't read, but our cards are going to come to you. So please take these postcards, write what you want to him. And there are two boys over there inside the Azad Maidan who are collecting. If you don't want to post it or so, it's fine. There's a boy, Kleto and Klein over there. They are picking up the postcards. So just pick up one postcard, write what you want and give over there. If you do not get a postcard today, make sure you get one. It's just 50 paise to buy. And you can find his address online because he's a public servant. Let's start this movement, and a shout out to my boys Kleto and Klein for getting this idea over here. And a huge
shout out to all our youth over here. Can you say with me? उठाए रे, उठाए रे.
तुमका जरी तर आयज हांगा येवचे पडले, तुम्ही जरी तर आयज आमी हांगा जमल्या, तेज्या खातीर तुमकां खूब उलो मारचो पडलो. आणि जरी तर आता आम्ही उठली, आता उठाय रे गोंयकारांनो, उठाय रे गोंयकारांनो म्हणून जरी तर आता आम्ही उठल्या, जाल्यार परत इतले बेगीन न्हिदपाक वचनाका. From last few days, I was having sleepless night. My friends here were having sleepless nights, and that time the only thing we remember is that somebody in Delhi is not just having sleepless nights but also empty stomach. Yes. For the people with empty brains. आता हांव सगळ्यां कडेन मागपाक विचारपाक सोदता की आमकां सगळ्यांक आतां एज्युकेशन सिस्टम फिक्स जालो जाय. आमकां सगळ्यांक जाय की धर्मेंद्र प्रधानान रेजिग्नेशन दिवचें आनी तुमी ज्या भशेन किवच्यो मारला पेड्डो सुद्दां तुमकां आयकपाक शकतलो. पण आमची सरकार तुमकां जरी तर आयकपाक शकची ना, जाल्यार जरी तर आमी परत हांगा परत येवचे So, guys, we are also planning to take this protest to other parts of Goa, where Goa youth is there, but they could not come here today. So, please stay tuned for our next protest. That is going to happen in Mapsa, hopefully on Wednesday. On Wednesday, with the permission of the police, just like today, and it will start near the Gandhi statue, near the Gandhi statue in Mapsa, and then we will walk to Lohya Maidan. तुम्ही परत येवचे. So, for more details about the Mapsa protest, please follow Uswad. We will be posting continuously about what we are planning and how we are planning the next protest. Please, your suggestions are very much valued. Because for us, the future really is very valuable. Our lives are very valuable. India's future is precious. And guess what? It's in your hand right now. And it is very much bright. Like the candles. So today also we had permission, but just most of you all might not know this is unofficial. Last minute the permission was revoked. And I'm sorry that I'm also telling you at the last moment, just like Goa Police. Goa Police ki jai. I'm just inspired by them at this point. Yes, lots of love, Goa Police. And now, okay, so we just got to know Mapsa. We have got permission for the protest. We will post it for you all to read this.
Mapsa, 5 o'clock, 5 o'clock, Mapsa.
5:30. 4:30 to 5:30.
4:30 to 5:30.
How's the timing?
The students have taken permission. 4:30 to 5:30.
So आता जो उजो आमच्या भितर आसा, हो उजवाड सगळ्यात पावपाक जाय. हो उजवाड जे कारखासान येयला तेका सगळ्यात पावपाक जाय. आणि we will light this candle near the martyrs tower that we have martyrs pillar, because that is the inspiration. We are the same generation, we are the same people. Jenche ancestors, not just Gandhiji was an ancestor for ahimsa and satyagraha. Our ancestors was also Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev. Dada
वांचूक सर तुम आगे बढ़ो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं। वांचूक सर तुम आगे बढ़ो, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं। एकूच गजाल चड सांगचो ना कित्याक सगळ्यांनी युथान आयज युथाक दीस माझ्या खाण मातशें पिकला तरी माहिती ट्रॅक करीत आसता हांव। एक गजाल सांगूं सोदता, भिवपाची गरज भिवपाची गरज सरकाराक भिवपाची गरज आसा। कित्याक इतल्या पर्यंत तांकां दिसताले की आमचे यूथ न्हिदला आनी आमी बीन काही प्रमाणान फेल जाले। आमी कितें म्हणटाले यूथ न्हिदला रे, पूण आयज गोंयच्या युथांनी गोंयच्या जेन्सीन दाखोवन दिल्ले आसा की आमी आयज यूथ जेन्ना जेन्ना गोंयकार उठ्ठा सगळ्यांचे फुट्टा, जेन्ना जेन्ना जेन्सी उठ्ठा तेन्ना सरकाराची फुट्टा। थँक यू सो मच।
Now, let's end this by taking you back to school. Students, सावधान। एक साथ राष्ट्रगीत शुरू करेंगे। शुरू कर।
तो अच्छा है। गिरीश बाबू, गिरीश गिरीश बाबू, कितें सांगपाचें तुका येदो व्हडलो यूथ टर्न आउट पळोवन गोंयांत?
पयलीं म्हणल्यार खूबसो दूख दिसता म्हाका, कित्याक सोनम वांगचूक सर आनी कितलेशे स्टुडंट तेंचे पेरंट्स आमी पळयता की दिल्लीच्या जंतर मंतराचेर ते उपोशणाक बसले। आनी म्हाका खबर आसा की हांव 6 दिसाचो उपोशण ह्याच आझाद मैदानाचेर केल्लें। तेंचो 20च्या वयर दीस उपोशण केलें, कितलेशे स्टुडंटांनी उपोशण केलें। आनी हें करपाचो कारण कितें? एकूच कारण तो म्हटल्यार जे पेपर लीक सद्याक देशभरान जाल्ले आनी त्या पेपर लिकाच्या अगेन्स्ट जी आमचे स्टुडंट्स जे आसा ते स्टुडंट्सांचो आवाज जो आसा तो CJPच्या अंडर आवाज उपरासलो आनी जंतर मंतराचेर ते ठामपणे प्रोटेस्टाक बसले। आनी एकूच जो डिमांड, जो व्हडलो डिमांड आसलो तो म्हटल्यार युनियन मिनिस्टर धर्मेंद्र प्रधान हेजे रेजिग्नेशन दिवचें म्हणून। आनी रेजिग्नेशन दिवचें साणून म्हटल्यार अकाउंटेबिलिटी आपल्या सरकाराची दवरपाचें साणून आयज इतलो दूख दिसता म्हाका, कित्याक त्या पद्दतीन लाठी चार्ज केल्ली आसा, तकलेंचेर मारलेले आसा, भुरग्यांक नाका शेवड केल्ले आसा। हे कोण तरी दूख दिसता, कित्याक हे जे आमकां स्वतंत्र ह्या देशाक गावले आनी स्वतंत्र मेळोन आमी पळयताले की एक प्रॉस्परस कंट्री जातली आनी प्रॉस्परसली म्हटल्यार एक आमी म्हणटा ग्रोईंग कंट्री म्हणटा। जावं ही ग्रोईंग कंट्रीचो आयज हालत कितें जालें? आयज आमच्या युथांक मार खावचो पडटा, आमच्या स्टुडंटांक मार खावचो पडटा, ना की तांकां जस्टीस दिवपाचो। सो ह्या सरकाराची आमी तीव्रपणे निंदा करता की तेंच्यांनी ज्या तरेन आमचे भुरग्यांचेर आमच्या तरणाट्याचेर आमच्या फ्युचराचेर अटॅक जो केल्लो आसा हो तांकां कसोच खपची ना आनी परत एकदां आमचो पूर्णपणा जो पाठिंबो आसा सोनम वांगचूक सराक आनी बाकीच्या सगळ्या स्टुडंटांक तो आमचो कंटिन्युअस आसतलो आनी आयज ज्या तरेन आमचे गोंयचे तरणाटे गोंयचे भुरगे हांगा येयल्ले आसा हो एक बारीकसो प्रोटेस्ट कॅन्डल लायट पिसफूल प्रोटेस्ट मात कितल्या प्रमाणान थोड्याच आवाजान उजवाड जे एनजीओ आसा तांकां खरेंच देव बरें करूं म्हणटा की तेंच्यांनी एक बरो प्रोटेस्ट हांगा ऑर्गनायज केलो आनी ह्याच पद्दतीन आमी सगळे गोंयकार एकजूट रावया यूथ आनी जेनझी जे म्हणटा ही फुडली जनरेशन आसा ह्या फुडले जनरेशनाक एकूच मागणी करता ज्या कडेन हेच न्हू इशू जे गोंया खातीर जावं देशा खातीर घातक आसा हो सरकार ज्या तरेन आमकां करप्शनान बुडलेलो आसा आनी ज्या तरेन हो सरकार गोंय काबार करपाक सोदता देश काबार करपाक सोदता हेच्या विरोधान आमचो आवाज हो बुलंद जावपाक जाय आनी जेन्ची फुडली जनरेशन आसा आयज जेन्ना आमी फुडें सरता तेन्ना कोणूय कितें करीत आमी पळयलें की दिल्लीन कितलेशे लाठीचार्ज केले मारले फोडले तरी पूण ते म्हणलेले आमी क्रांती करतले आनी ही क्रांतीची गरज जी आसा ती आयज आसा आनी फुडें पासून गोंयकार करतले
जय हिंद जय भारत
जय हिंद जय गोंय
सरकारान आतां जयसर प्रोटेस्ट जाला थंयसर न्हू तांकां डिक्लेअर केला एंटी नॅशनल
पळय सरकारा कडेन कांय ऑप्शन ना सरकार कोण प्रोटेस्ट आमकां खबर आसा जेन्ना सुरवातीक आमी गोंयकारांचो आवाज म्हणून भायर सरताले तेन्ना आमकांय एंटी नॅशनल म्हणटाले खूब जाण कितें कितें आमचेर तोमणे मारीत आसले पण ज्या तरेन आयच्या दिसा जो सरकारान केल्लें आसा अरे मातशी तरी काकूड येवपाक जाय आयज जे भुरगे आसा ते खंयच्या पक्षाचे न्हू सगळ्या पक्षाचे भुरगे शिकता एड्युकेशन फिल्डान आयज तुमी आपणाचे म्हटल्यार आमी पळयलें की आपणाच्या भुरग्यांक तुमी भायल्या देशांत घालता तुमचे कडेन कोट्यांनी पयशे आसा पण बारीक समाजाचे लोक जे आसा ते भुरगे जे आसा ते शिकपाक जेन्ना वयता तांकां तेंचो रिस्पेक्ट दवरपाची गरज आसा आनी तेकाच लागून आमी सरकार निवडून दिता ना की हे पेपर लीक करून आपणाक जाय तांकां पास करून तांकां मनमानी करपाक सो हेजो आमी विरोध करता आनी हांव सदांच हेच्या फुडें बसून जेन्ना जेन्ना आमचे जेनजीज आपयतले आमी तेंच्या वांगडा आसा आनी फुडें बसून हो आवाज हांव परत एकदां मागता जेनजीं कडेन की आमी समज जेनजी फुडें सरले नाल्यार हेंची फुट्टली आनी हांकां घरा बसचें पडटलें थँक्यू
जय हिंद जय भारत सर जय हिंद जय भारत
जय हिंद
BJP that has been fighting out as well as 21-day hunger strike as well as when he was taken to the hospital like he was being dragged out and seeing that the whole country is very upset on how
okay I'm coming काटता दे
go